In this video, I'm going to show you how to create TikTok account on iPhone. So this is Anis. Welcome back to another video. If you need my channel, please consider subscribe and hit the bell icon for my latest update. If you did already, thank you so much. So let's get started. So for creating TikTok account on iPhone, just open TikTok just like that, and as you can see, without account video are playing here, but you are not able to interact with this video. For creating account on TikTok, just tap on profile in this bottom right corner, and as you can see, lots of options for login to TikTok, but we are going to create new account. So tap on sign up, and here is a few options for creating new TikTok account. You can create account via using Facebook account, Apple ID, or Google account. So we are going to create using email. So tap on, and here is two options, phone or email. So just tap on email. After that, enter your email address correctly, then tap on next here, as you can see, and enter password. It recommend minimum character is 8 character. So after that, tap on next and enter your date of birth, like that. After that, tap on next, enter your name just like that. Tap on confirm to create TikTok account. So it asking for some permissions to access contact, and you can enter OK, and you can follow some of this content creator from your contact. So it will automatically suggest you to do that, and you can customize some of this thing. You can add photo from your photo gallery, so it required access, so allow full access. And just I'm going to upload this random photo like this one, so this one, and just tap on save and post. So it will posting on my TikTok account. So that way you can create TikTok account. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my videos. See you on the next.